My name's Alan Moore. I'm the Mechanical, Electrical and Energy Efficiency Manager for Crawley Borough Council. So this property was our first ever void. Being void without a tenant actually in the property has made it a lot neater installation, an easier installation, a faster installation. It's turned out to be a very good quality of work from the NetZero Collective and the Liberty group. We're exceptionally pleased with their work and the way that we've utilised the air source heat pump, the sun end battery and the solar PV to produce a very efficient property for our tenants.
I'm Richard Madigan, I'm Head of Projects here at Liberty. Reaction from the Crawley Borough Council and the local councillors have been very, very positive. They're really happy with the work that we're doing here on Crawley. They can see it's demonstrable the effect that it's having, the new technologies on the properties. We've had a recent interview with a tenant who's seen a massive drop in their energy usage. So it's a win-win for everybody, really.
I'm Michael Jones and I'm leader at Crawley Borough Council. I'm really impressed with the property. Part of the council's climate change targets have an ambitious decarbonisation agenda, and to see the work that's been going on here in one of our council housing stock is very important. It's really going to help us in actually delivering on those targets.